Luminous, with its 30 years of experience in inverter technology, has illuminated over 3 crore homes in India. A new inverter series, brought to you by Luminous, is adding a new chapter to its success, EcoWatt Neo series. In this video, we will see the features of EcoWatt Neo product and learn how to install it. The EcoWatt Neo series is an affordable inverter series from Luminous, which is made with new and advanced technology. Some special features of EcoWatt Neo series. Battery charging start low at 100 volts. Even at low voltage, 30% more charging current is available, due to which the battery is charged quickly. ABCC battery charging technology increases battery life and performance. Thermal management system keeps the inverter at optimum temperature, which increases its life. This inverter series supports tubular, flat plate, SMF and gel, all type of batteries. Let us now understand the features of EcoWatt Neo series. In this box of the inverter, we find a warranty card. When purchasing an inverter, do not forget to place the stamp with the serial number on the warranty card. Inverter's installation feature and manual can be downloaded digitally with the help of any QR code scanner. For your convenience, QR code is given on its packaging box and inverter's front sticker. Just scan and download it. On the device from panel with the on or off switch, you will see 6 LED indicators. On mains, this indicator glows when the charging power supply is coming to the house. Charging. This LED indicator shows the charging status of the battery. Growing symbol means inverter charging the battery. This symbol would shut down automatically when battery is charged 100%. Eco mode. By default, your inverter stays on eco mode. In eco mode, the inverter also charges the battery in voltage variations ranging from 100 volt to 290 volts. When going below or above this voltage line, this will switch on the inverter. UPS mode. If you want to run kitchen appliances or computers from the inverter in your home, you can put the inverter in UPS mode. In UPS mode, appliances get stable voltage of 180 volts to 260 volts. The inverter will turn on when it goes below or above this voltage range. To switch from Eco to UPS mode or UPSC Eco mode, press on-off switches for 3 seconds. Whichever mode will be selected, its LED will glow on front panel. Low battery. The low battery indicator will glow when the inverter trips as a result of the low battery energy. Overload. This indicator glows when the device is in battery mode and goes on trip due to high load. Let us now understand the back panel of the inverter. Mains lead. This lead is used to connect input AC supplies to the device. Mains input fuse. This is connected at the input of the device and glows as a result of overload from a short circuit. Output socket. This socket connects the output of the device to the load. Negative battery lead. The negative end of the battery is attached to this lead. Positive battery lead. The positive end of the battery will be connected to this lead. Battery type. This switch is selected as per battery type. This is a thermal management cooling fan. Before installing device, you must have two 16 ampere tops and a gang box with 16 ampere socket and one switch. You should also have adequate wires and electrical tape. We will show EcoWatt Neo 850 in this video. The rest of the inverters in this series can also be installed in the same way. Luminous inverter performs best with Luminous batteries. That is why we recommend it for inverters. 150 EH capacity Luminous battery. Always install the inverter battery in the well-ventilated area, where they can be protected from dust, water and humidity. First, connect the inverter to the battery and then to the mains supply. Be careful while connecting to the mains supply, as these can be life-threatening. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the battery and the red wire to the positive terminal. The output main goes to the distribution box from the socket on the back panel of the inverter. the load connected to the inverter can be connected to the wire. Pay attention that the load connected to the inverter should not exceed the capacitance of the system, because then the inverter will go into overload condition when power is cut off. Connect earth neutral wire from distribution box to input supply socket. Plug the main lead into the input supply socket. Switch on the input supply socket. The main LED in the inverter will start to glow. Switch on the inverter. Enjoy power backup without interruptions and inconvenience. For more information, visit www.luminosindia.com or contact 1800103339 anytime. Do not forget to like the video. To watch more such videos, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.